Alright, I've just finished soldering all the motors, and one of them, for some reason the wire ripped off. I had to put a little shrink on to fix it. This bloody thing never gets to focus when it's close to stuff, but doesn't matter. Okay, so now I'm gonna fit the flight control in place. That's more or less how it's gonna go. Got the motors, and got the motors fitted. Got the flight controller. I'm gonna put some nuts to hold the flight controller in place. All soldering that I might still have to do is gonna be on top of the board, so I think there's no issue with putting the nuts right now to keep it in place. Just gonna tighten these down a little bit. They do get tight on the frame. Once those are tight on the frame, I can start pushing these ones on top so that I get perfectly in place. I don't need anything too tight. As long as I have it like in place, I'm okay. It's gonna be okay. Should have a small screwdriver tip for this. Some even one of those that is like a screwdriver and fits an exit. This I don't think I'll need to move it too much. because like they're not tight. So let's go for some more turns. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty much it. Then I'm gonna put some tape here holding the wires as I always do, kind of like Bardwell style. Some people say you shouldn't, but it always worked fine for me. These VTX is gonna go on the back, this is gonna be analog. I think I do have an ELRS receiver lying around somewhere, I can't tell where, but I'll find it eventually. Smoke stopper. And see if the thing runs minimally okay. I'm curious to check if all the 4 motors run correctly. Because I have this motor that, as I said, the CSC blew up, and so I had to solder it back again. I replaced one of the FETs with a FET I got from AliExpress. I'm not exactly sure if that's gonna be ideal thing. Let me try and plug the thing and see. Okay. Well, let me plug it to beta flight and see if the motor spins. Okay. Should beta flight open? Yes, indeed it did. PDB F405. Okay, calibrate accelerometer. That's gonna be left. Now I'm gonna go to the motors and D-Shot 600. Motor stop. Just it's gonna work. Go to motor stop again. I understand risks, but I want to try it. So well, it seems like all 4 motors are running. Okay, let me try motor 1. Oh, I gotta turn this around to check the direction. You guys know how I do it with a piece of paper. Where did I leave it? Here. Okay, so motor 1 should be rotating clockwise. It is correct. Motor 2 should be rotating counterclockwise. It is correct. Motor 3 should be rotating counterclockwise as well. It is correct. And motor 4 should be rotating clockwise. It is correct. So all motors are rotating the right direction. That's nice. All four are doing fine. Okay. That's nice. What else do I need to check? Motors are okay. Okay, I'm not gonna rotate them anymore, so I can unplug the thing. Disconnect. Unplug power. Unplug from the USB. Alright. Just gonna calibrate the accelerometer on a leveled surface, which I have here. Okay. Disconnect. And the thing is doing pretty good. Huh? Just stupid things. Preparing a buzzer to install on the quad. So I'm using different colored wires, but I know that yellow is positive and blue is negative. Just gonna pretend the thing. This is visual, it was not so close. Okay, so the quad here in place. I'm gonna fit the buzzer right about where this the same, pretty much the same as the capacitor, but on the side. Yeah, I'm gonna use the small zip tie that I tried to use earlier for the capacitor. It was not enough for the buzzer. It should be. For the buzzer, it should be long enough. Really? Okay. The buzzer is in place, same as the capacitor, and all I have to do is cut this wire to length, because I cut it before, but it is a bit too long, so trim it because I want it to go. And The only thing I gotta keep in mind is that yellow is positive, so yellow is positive. So those negatives gonna go on the other side. I should try and pre-tin these, but it's tricky to do it over the board. I knew it. So that's buzzer minus, and yellow is buzzer plus. Okay, I already did a mistake. It under it. I would not cut the wire. I would pull it up and solder it in place, but going underneath like this. With the battery strap moving around, it's not very good. Anyways, if I plug it, I think the AC burned again. Shit. Okay, I keep on assembling and disassembling. So this is going to be this thing. Yellow is going to go to TX because that's the RX of the receiver. Okay. Then green is gonna go to RX because that's the TX of the receiver. Then 4.5 volts. And then ground. Okay, I got the thing connected. Now I gotta connect the buzzer again. So I got the buzzer connected. I got the buzzer connected. I got the receiver connected. I got the capacitor connected. I got everything pretty much connected. Then I'm gonna have to put the FPV camera. That's pretty much it. Should I plug the thing? So, speedy be received.